Clay and rocky soils can be a significant challenge for gardeners. Clay soil is dense and easily compacted, making it tough to work with. This density makes it difficult for roots to grow and for water to drain properly, often leading to waterlogging. Rocky soil, on the other hand, is loose and drains too quickly, causing different issues. It struggles to hold on to essential nutrients and moisture, making it less fertile. These soil types often leave gardeners feeling frustrated and at a loss. Plants may struggle to thrive in these conditions, showing signs of stress. Seeds might fail to germinate or grow weakly. Watering becomes a delicate balance, requiring careful attention. But don't despair. There is a simple solution: mulching, which can help mitigate these issues. Mulching is like tucking your soil under a cozy blanket, providing protection and benefits. It is a layer of material applied to the surface of the soil, such as straw, wood chips, or compost. This simple technique can dramatically improve the health and fertility of your clay or rocky soil, making it more hospitable for plants. By understanding the challenges these soil types present, we can better appreciate the remarkable benefits of mulching and how it can transform our gardens. Let's explore how this age-old practice can transform your gardening experience, making it more enjoyable and successful. Mulch acts as a superhero for your soil, tackling multiple problems at once. It's like having a multi-tool in your gardening kit. In clay soil, mulch improves drainage and aeration, making it easier for roots to grow and thrive. It prevents the surface from becoming compacted, allowing air and water to penetrate more easily, which is crucial for plant health. For rocky soil, mulch acts like a sponge, soaking up water and slowly releasing it. It helps retain moisture, preventing the soil from drying out too quickly, which is especially important during dry spells. This ensures that your plants have a consistent water supply, even in hot weather. But that's not all. Mulch has even more benefits. Mulch is also a champion weed suppressor, keeping those pesky invaders at bay. It blocks sunlight, preventing weed seeds from germinating and taking over your garden. This reduces your weeding time and effort, giving you more time to enjoy your garden. Finally, mulch provides a haven for beneficial soil life, creating a balanced ecosystem. As it decomposes, it adds organic matter to the soil, feeding earthworms and microorganisms, which in turn enrich the soil. This creates a thriving ecosystem that benefits your plants, making your garden a lush, vibrant paradise. The type of mulch you choose can impact its effectiveness. There are two main categories: organic and inorganic. Organic mulches decompose over time, adding nutrients to the soil. Examples include wood chips, bark, compost, straw, and leaf mold. Inorganic mulches don't decompose. They provide a longer-lasting cover but don't enrich the soil in the same way. Examples include gravel, pebbles, and landscape fabric. For clay soil, prioritize mulches that improve drainage and aeration. Wood chips, bark, and straw are excellent choices. For rocky soil, focus on moisture retention. Compost, leaf mold, and grass clippings work well. Remember to consider the aesthetic appeal of your chosen mulch. Choose a type that complements your garden design and personal preferences. Mulching done right, a step-by-step guide. Applying mulch is straightforward, but following a few key steps ensures optimal results and a healthier garden. Firstly, prepare the area by removing existing weeds and gently roughening the soil surface. This step is crucial for the mulch to adhere properly. This allows the mulch to settle properly and create a stable layer. Next, apply the mulch evenly around your plants, ensuring even coverage. Aim for a layer of 2 to 4 inches deep. This depth is ideal for moisture retention and weed suppression. Avoid piling it against the base of your plants, as this can cause rot and other plant diseases. Water the mulch thoroughly after application to help it settle and integrate with the soil. This helps it settle and begin to decompose, enriching the soil over time. Regularly check the mulch layer and top it up as needed, especially after heavy rain or wind, which can displace it. Finally, remember that mulch decomposes over time. especially organic varieties which break down and nourish the soil. Replenish it annually or as needed to maintain its benefits and keep your garden looking its best. Reaping the rewards. Long-term benefits of mulching. The rewards of mulching extend far beyond the initial application. Over time, mulching transforms hard-packed clay and loose rocky soil into fertile, thriving ground. The improved soil structure leads to healthier, more vigorous plants. They will be more resistant to pests and diseases and produce a greater yield. Mulching also reduces your workload in the garden. With less weeding, watering, and fertilizing, you'll have more time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Furthermore, mulching promotes a sustainable and eco-friendly gardening practice. It reduces water usage, minimizes the need for chemical fertilizers, and promotes biodiversity in the soil. Share your mulching wisdom. Join the gardening community. Mulching is a simple yet transformative practice that brings numerous benefits to gardens with clay and rocky soils. By embracing this technique, you'll be well on your way to cultivating a thriving and productive garden. But gardening is also about sharing knowledge and experiences. Tell us, what are your favorite mulching tips? What works best in your garden? Let's create a community of gardeners who learn from and support each other. Share your wisdom, ask questions, and let's together make our gardens flourish, one mulch layer at a time.